Next part is the Capability Maturity Model CMM. The Capability Maturity Model is a process meta model developed by the Software Engineering Institute. It defines the process characteristics that should exist if an organization wants to establish a software process that is complete. The spirit of Software Engineering Institute Capability Maturity Model should always be adopted. So what does it say? It says that whenever you're doing software development should be taken seriously. It should be done thoroughly. It should be controlled uniformly. It should be tracked accurately, and it must be conducted professionally. It must focus on the needs of the customer. So these are the points to remember when making a software. Software development should be always taken seriously. It must be thoroughly done. It must be controlled uniformly. It must be tracked accurately. It must be conducted professionally. It must focus on the needs of the customer. So inside this, there are two meta models, a continuous model and a staged model. So as a continuous model, it describes the process in two dimensions. Each process area are accessed against specific goals and practices and is rated according to the following capability levels. So level 0 is the incomplete level. The process area is either not formed or does not achieve all goals and objectives defined by SEI Capability Maturity Model for level 1 capability. So either the model is not formed or it does not follow the goals and the objectives of the SEI for a capability maturity model. So it cannot move to level 1. Level 1 is performed. All the specific goals of a process area have been satisfied. Work tasks required to produce defined work products are being conducted. So the goals. What are the goals? These are the goals. Conducted seriously, thoroughly, controlled uniformly, tracked accurately, conducted professionally, focus on the need of the customer. All these goals have been satisfied. And what is happening? Work tasks are being conducted. Level 2 is managed. Level 2 is managed. All level 1 criteria have been satisfied. In addition, all work associated with the process area conforms to an organizationally defined policy. All people doing the work have access to adequate resources to get the job done. Level 3 is defined. All level 2 criteria have been achieved. All processes tailored from organization set of standard processes according to the organization guidelines. So level 2 also has been achieved satisfactorily, and all the processes tailored from the organization set of standard processes according to the organization guidelines. Level 4 is quantitatively managed. All level 3 criteria have been achieved. All the processes controlled and improved using measurements and quantitative assessment. And optimized means all level 4 criteria have been achieved. All the process area is adapted, all standards to meet the changing customer's need. That means suppose tomorrow customer's needs have changed, then you can alter that software. So that software should be optimized in order to alter the software. Quantitatively managed means your measurements and quantitative assessment is done properly. Measurement can be, we have seen, direct or indirect. The SEI capability model defines each process area in terms of specific goals and specific practices. Now, the stage SEI capability maturity model defines the same process area, goals and practices as the continuous model. The primary difference is that the stage model defines 5 maturity levels rather than 5 capability levels. To achieve maturity level, Specific goals and practices associated with a set of process areas must be achieved.